Hello beautiful people, in this tutorial I'm going to talk about how to share access in Google Ads and how to manage your client ad account. So let me show on my screen. So you already create a manager account on this Gmail, and you can see this is our manager account. And right now I'm on this manager account. You can see one here. So how we can get access from our client account? Now I'm going to my another ad account on here, and this is tracking by GTM. I copy this ID and going to our ad manager account. Now I'm going to the setting. Then you can see sub account or manager account setting, sub account setting. Now I'm click manager account setting on here, and this is our manager account setting, our manager account name and our manager account active status on here. Now I'm click sub account setting. So now we can create a new manager account, we can create a new Google Ads account, and we can link existing ad account. So we can link existing ad account. I have already ad account, so now I'm linking existing ad account. So now I paste this ad account ID. Which ad account ID? This is my client ad account ID. I just need this from my client. I copy this and put it on our manager account. I put it and send a request, and this is our standard request. Right now I'm visiting this ad account on, I'm going to my mail. So now I got a mail. You have to pending request to link your account to a manager account, and this is our manager account name, this is our manager account Gmail on here, and this is our manager account ID, this one. And you can see this is our manager account ID, this is our manager account name on here. Also our client will see on their Gmail. So now they are accept their request. Just click this accept request button, and then they will see one here. So if you don't get this type of mail, now they are just clicking these tools, then access and security, and you will get this dashboard. Now they are just need to click the manager account, then they will see the request on here. Just accept this and grant access, and these are always standard access. And you can see one here, our user. When I click plus and when I put the user on here, and the access type of email only, billing, read only, standard and admin. So admin and standard, between admin can add manager, remove user, remove manager, but standard access they can't add manager account or they can't add product link. So every manager need standard access. So we already accept this manager account. Now I'm going to on here and I just refresh this. Then I will see we already got Google tracking by GTM ad account. Now I'm clicking on here and they will see tracking by GTM ad account. Then we can manage our multiple client account on here. So we can easily manage our multiple client account on here like this. Now I'm going to add another manager account on here. So now I'm on another ad account, this ad account name GA for conversion. I just copy this ID and going to my manager account on here. Then I'm going to the setting on here. I'm going to my main account, then go to the setting, then sub account setting, and plus link to existing account, and I put this one ID and send it the request. And these are always standard requests. Now I'm going to my ad account on here. Now I'm going to tools and setting. Now I'm going to access and security, then manager. Then they will see the request on here. I just accept this access and grant access, and I also get this mail for the access. Now I'm going to my manager. So now I'm on the manager account, and right now there have only one account tracking by GTM. Now I refresh this, then you will see our ad account, two ad account. So one is tracking by GTM and second one is GA for conversion. So this is the way how to manage multiple ad account on here. So right now I am on the GA for conversion ad account, and when I click tracking by GTM, then we can manage our this ad account. So hope you understand this process. So if you are owner of business, right now I'm on the t-shirt business. So how you can share without this ID? So now you need the manager account ID. This is our manager account on here. I'm now on the manager account. I just copy my Gmail from here. I copy this one. Now I'm going to my ad account and I'm going to tools and setting, then access and security. Then I can add an user on here. I just put their mail. So which one which account access label I will share? Always use standard. Then send invitation. And this Gmail also get a mail. So now I'm checking my manager account mail and I'm going to the mail. So I get a mail from the t-shirt business and I just accept invitation, continue. So now I can manage this account from here, from this mail. So these are the not a great way to share their access because of I did not add any account access. I directly share my access, but I did not connect our manager account on here. And you can see I did not connect our manager account, our t-shirt business. So how we can get that? So just share this ID with your manager and they will get a request. Then you can just accept this. And these are always standard level access. So this is my account. Now I want to try to connect our manager account on this mail. Now I'm going to account setting, sub account setting and click plus and link to existing account. I paste this t-shirt business and send a request. So now I'm going to this account. This is t-shirt business, tools and access and security and manager. You can see I have not access to accept this request because of I am not the admin this ad account. So hope you enjoy this video. Feel free to like this video and subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos, and I promise you will never be disappointed. See you on the next video. Bye bye.